How to create a custom 5-star survey form in WordPress with Easy Form Builder. Select the survey form template to begin customizing your form. Start by removing the sample fields to have a clean slate. Add a radio button field to your form. Click on the radio button field you just added and open its settings by clicking the gear icon. Rename the field label to match your survey topic and add options for a 5-star rating system, such as 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and so on. Once your form is complete, save it and copy the shortcode. Create a new page or post in WordPress, paste the shortcode into the content area, and publish it. Congratulations! Your 5-star survey form is now live and ready to use. Easy Form Builder makes creating custom forms quick and hassle-free.